In a town where the green hills whispered low, lived a little cat with a sunset glow. Orange fur and joyful paws, playing every note without a pause. Rainbow sweater, eyes so bright, he filled the world with color and light. When Leo played, the people knew every note was pure and true. But summer came with a quiet sound, and silence gently settled down. His tiny paws grew tired and still, his shadows rested on the hill. His mother held him through the night, wrapped him in love and candlelight. And somewhere past the edge of sleep, a hidden song began to weave. Music never dies, it only changes skies. It finds another heart and learns another name. Across the years it flies, through tears and lullabies. Two souls become one flame, singing through the same refrain. Oh, the song that time remembered, the dream that carried through. What Thomas left unfinished, Leo was born to do. The room grew soft, the walls grew bright, and Leo drifted into the light. Magnolias bloomed in golden air, fireflies hummed a silent prayer. Out of the mist with gentle grace, an older cat revealed his face. Bowtie neat and top hat grand, he reached for Leo's trembling hand. My name is Tom, it softly came, a soul once carried by a flame. I played the piano long ago, before your world could ever know. Leo asked beneath the tree, how can your music live in me? Thomas smiled with ancient eyes, music is never born to die. Music never dies, it only changes skies. It finds another heart and learns another name. Across the years it flies, through tears and lullabies. Two souls become one flame, singing through the same refrain. Oh, the song that time remembered, the dream that carried through. What Thomas left unfinished, Leo was born to do. Then visions rose like painted skies, concert halls and tear-filled eyes. A final chord, a fading breath, a dream too strong to end in death. Through glowing woods they walked as one, to where the timeless songs are spun. A piano vast with keys of light, holding every song of day and night. Thomas played the past with grace, Leo brought the future's pace. Classical streams and groovy fire joined together in one choir. Music never dies, it only changes skies. It finds another heart and learns another name. Across the years it flies, through tears and lullabies. carry through. Back beside his mother's care, Leo breathed the morning air. He saw his keyboard waiting there, like a promise, like a prayer. And songs, young Leo cried, with someone old still here inside. Songs for now and songs from them, songs that will be born again. So listen close beneath the tone. Two souls are singing, not alone. For music is the love we leave, the dream we trust, the thread we weave. And time itself, when hearts are true, becomes a melody.